We need to know where to go with our wavering. Because our hope is in God and not in ourselves, whenever we are wavering, we need to go to Him. If the command in this verse is to hold fast without wavering, then the first thing that we need to do when we are wavering is know where to go with our wavering. We take our wavering to God. We cast our anxieties on Him. That's the first step in holding fast. The second step is get familiar with God's faithfulness. Notice how this "let us" command highlights the faithfulness of God. You see that there? So it seems that God's faithfulness plays a huge part in our ability to hold fast without wavering. So how does God's faithfulness affect our wavering? We need to become the kind of people who are so familiar with God's faithfulness that no matter what situation we find ourselves in, it becomes second nature for us to rely on God and trust in His ability. And one of the greatest displays of God's faithfulness is the cross. That while we were still enemies of God, Jesus took our place and died for our sin. And we remind ourselves that if God is going to be faithful like that while we are His enemies, He would do that for us, then how much more will He act on our behalf now that He calls us His sons and daughters?